In this video, I'll show you how to run a scene, instant control in one tap. Controlling multiple devices one by one is slow. With scenes, everything happens instantly. Lights, fans, AC curtains, all set to your preset in under 2 seconds. No waiting, no repeated taps. Just one action and your entire setup is ready. You can even trigger scenes through voice or a single tap, whatever suits your routine. Now, I'll show you how to run a scene. First, open your home automation app. Tap on the automations in the tab bar. Tap on the scene you've created. Tap on play. That's it. Your scene will run. One tap. Everything done. Instantly. Thank you.